If you're still broke in 2025, it's not because you lack experience. It's because you're waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Anyone can make money from home with zero experience, and I'll prove it. Stop overthinking. The bar is low and results matter more than experience. Start with simple services, Canva designs, basic editing, captions, VA work, TikTok clipping, email setups. Maya, a single mom with nothing but desperation, learned Canva for 2 days, made $80 from her first client, and now earns $2,500 a month from home. Your story can change the same way. Another path is content repurposing, taking long videos, cutting them into shorts, turning blogs into posts. Arif, a college dropout, messaged 100 YouTubers, landed one $300 client, grew it to $5,000 a month, and told me it gave him his life back. Then there's the micro-agency path, one simple skill packaged into a service. WordPress setup, cold email, appointment setting, editing, anything. You outsource cheap labor and manage the results. Daniel lost his job, wife pregnant, panic everywhere. He tried appointment setting, landed a $600 retainer in 3 weeks, then more. He said, "This saved my marriage." Working from home isn't about money. It's about control and safety. Here's the blueprint. Pick one skill, not 10. Learn it in 48 hours using free tutorials. Create a simple Google Doc portfolio with 3 samples and start outreach. Message 50 people a day. Businesses, YouTubers, coaches, real estate agents, e-com owners. Your first client isn't about cash. It's about momentum. Most people say they want freedom, but quit before sending the first message. If you push through the first 2-3 weeks, you'll be in the top 1%. You can make $500,000 a month from home without a degree, without being special. All it takes is one skill, one offer, one client. Maya did it. Arif did it. Daniel did it. Now it's your turn. Start today because the moment you learn to make money from home is the moment you take back your freedom, your time, and your future.